The Region 5 chairman called a press conference yesterday at the RDC boardroom to discuss COVID-19 related matters. More in this report. Yesterday, Wednesday, April 22nd, the chairman of Region 5 held a meeting at the RDC boardroom where several matters related to COVID-19 were discussed. The regional chairman, Mr. Vichan Ramphal, made these brief remarks.
We will have a PA system that will be going around within the various communities like a day before the medical teams goes out to tell our people where and when the vaccine will be administered. Let me emphasize on the importance of our people in Region Number 5 taking this vaccine. We want to have the entire region, despite of the area where you're living. If you can't come to the health center, we'll be coming to your community, close to your household, so to ensure that everyone is vaccinated.
Director General at the Ministry of Health, Dr. Vishwa Mahadeo, stated the importance of the vaccination program.
To this end, I must say that Region 5 still has a lot of work to do. Maybe the RHO could give us some figures, but we still have a lot of work to do. I'll start by saying that there are still some persons in our community who, for whatever reason, they go around telling people or advising persons not to get vaccinated. What I want to say is, vaccines and getting yourself vaccinated guarantees that you are not going to have serious consequences due to COVID. Will help you in some cases not to get infected, and if you do get infected, you are not going to be hospitalized. It reduces death, and all the vaccines have the same effect of reducing the serious consequences of the COVID-19 disease. So that is to get one across board. We have not had getting a vaccine, you're going to react. Some people are going to react like any other vaccines. You might get a little headache, you might get a little chill, a little fever, and your vaccinators will advise you what to do. In most cases, a Panadol does the job.
The commander of the Region 5 Regional Police gave this update on how the law enforcement has been involved in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic.
We have been working with the task force, in collaboration with the task force, and more so the regional administration in terms of enforcing the COVID-19 guidelines. We have been sensitizing persons, we have been distributing masks also, and we have been placing persons before the court for non-compliance. Our rigid enforcement would have shown clearly, based on our health officer presentation, that there would be a decline in terms of new cases in our region, and we continue to have our rigid enforcements.
All residents in Region 5 are encouraged to get vaccinated as soon as possible and to continue to follow all COVID-19 precautionary measures. Narima Ali, Channel 8 News.